Fire investigation is important because it helps us to determine the actual cause of the fire and then figure out different ways that we can prevent those fires in the future. It's important to keep up with skills and knowledge within the fire investigation profession. There needs to be continual learning.
This week, we're improving our fire investigation skills by learning how different fires are caused in multiple ways, which include power line fires, vehicle fires, arson fires.
So this week's training is focusing on improving our wildland fire investigators' skills, and in particular we're doing evidence collection, arson identification, crime scene photography, and our investigative report writing. All these skills will help us develop better investigations overall.
Any refresher training or review isn't necessarily just old material. There are always improvements and enhancements in technology, as well as reporting, gathering evidence. These were all things that I found helpful at the summit.
What I've learned this week that I'm going to use and take back to my district is the power line equipment. We went through systematically through all different types of power line equipment, and we're shown how it operates, the functionality behind it, and what to look for when we're investigating power line fires.
What I really enjoyed this week was the evidence collection portion of this. We learned how to cast boot impressions, tire impressions, and it's something I'll take home to my home unit and hopefully be able to pass on to the fire investigators.
One thing I learned this week really stood out to me and I'll be able to use in the future is the photography section. It was extremely helpful. I believe it'll greatly increase the accuracy of my fire investigations in the future.
I'd especially like to express my appreciation to law enforcement, especially the Nevada Special Agents, for their invaluable contribution to professionalizing our fire investigation program. Their expertise enhances the quality of our investigations significantly.
This training is giving our fire investigators the skills they need to successfully identify wildland fire causes, which will lead to better fire prevention and support the overall fire program and its mission to reduce human-caused fires in and on the public lands that we love.